Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get Android smartphone like color palette in iPhone or iPad devices. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on the left side I have an iPhone smartphone and on the right side I have an Android smartphone. So on your Android smartphone, just tap and hold on your home screen, and now you will see here at the bottom wallpaper install. Just click on it. Now you will see here one option written color palette, right? Just click on it. Now here you will see color palette, just enable it. Now you can select different color palettes depending upon your needs, and below you can see there is one more option, apply palette to app color. So let me just enable it, and now if I click on apply, and now if we go to the home screen, now you can see all the app icons will be having the similar color palette colors. So you can see here. So in order to get such similar Android smartphone like color palette in your iPhone or iPad devices, what you need to do is firstly just go to the settings and click on this general, click on this software update, and kindly update to the iOS 18 or higher than that. And after updating, just tap and hold on your iPhone home screen. Now on the left top corner you will see one option written edit. Just click on it. Now here you will see one option customize. Just click on it. Now below you can see here light, dark, automatic and tinted. Now just select the tinted one. Now you can see here the app icons color has been changed to the tinted color. Now you can just swipe it on the color panel in order to customize the color depending upon your needs. And even you can see here one color picker icon. Just click on it, and you can select the home screen wallpaper color, and now it will select it and it will apply it directly to your home screen application icons. So this is how you can get Android smartphone like color palette in iPhone or iPad devices very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.